my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 6, Entertainment and Sports Chapter Animates Hits. So, students, identify these famous animated movies and write the correct numbers to match them. Okay, so let me start. Ice Age Dawn of the Dinosaur. 4. Okay, Toy Story 3. Toy Story 3. It's 3. Next is Roadside Romeo, Shrek the Third. It's 1. The Lion King 5 and Finding Nemo 6. Now let's time pick tick. Which of the following animated films depicts the story of a couple named Shrek and Fiona? Option C, Shrek 2. Which of the following film depicts the life of a little clownfish and his father? Number 2, B, The Lion King. Number 3, which of the following is not an animated character? Number 3, option C, Sabu. Okay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is Formula One. Formula One is the most important form of motor racing in the world. Take right is true and cross for wrong is false. Number 1, Michael Schumacher and Ralf Schumacher are brothers. Right. In one most Ferrari cars. Okay, in one most Ferrari cars are of red color. Yes, right. 3. Narayan Karthikeyan is a British Formula One driver. 3. No. Indian. Number 4. The Force India team has Indian drivers only. No. Helmets are must for all Formula One drivers. Yes. At the start of a race, checkered flag is waved. Number 6. No. 7. A Formula One driver becomes a champion by winning a single race. No. Drivers can stop to refuel their cars during a race. Yes. The best racing team wins the Constructors' Champions. Number 9. No. 10. Only 3 members from a team can participate in a single Formula One race. No. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Popular comedians. Identify the following word famous comedians. You can use the help box. 1. He is a British comedian, actor and writer. He is best known for playing the title role in the British television comedy Mr. Bean. ये हैं. So he is Rowan Atkinson. Number 2, he is an American film director, writer, actor, musician, and comedian. He has won the coveted Oscar Award 3 times. ये है Woody Allen. They were an America based comedy duo. They became famous for their work in motion pictures during the early half of the 20th century. Number 3 is Stan Laurel. 4. He is considered to be one of the finest mimics and clowns to have ever acted in films. His principal character was the tramp Wagrain. Number 4. So he is Charlie Chaplin. Number 5. He is Golden Globe winning Canadian American film actor. He is best known for his performances in comedy films such as Dumb and Dumber, so The Mask and Bruce Almighty. Jim Carrey. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Famous Indian singers. Lata Mangeshkar was one of the most respected playback singer of India. She had recorded songs for over 1,000 Hindi films and sung songs in more than 36 Indian and foreign languages. She had received a large number of awards, including the most prestigious Bharat Ratna. Jagjit Singh was a prominent ghazal singer, songwriter, and musician. He is also known as the Ghazal King. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan by the Government of India in 2003. Asha Bhosle is well-known playback singer of Hindi cinema. She is officially acknowledged by the Guinness Book of World Records as the most recorded artist in the music industry. K.L. Yesudas is an Indian classical musician and playback singer. He has recorded more than 70,000 songs in many languages. He has won 7 national awards for the best male playback singer, the most by any Indian singer. He was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan in 1975 and 2002 respectively. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Countries and their national games. A national sport is a sport that is considered to be an intrinsic part of a country's culture or is the most popular sport in a country. So match the countries with their national sports. Country, national sports. Okay, so let me start. Australia, cricket. B. Number 2, Bhutan, archery. H. Number 3, Brazil, soccer. Canada, lacrosse. China, table tennis. India, hockey. Number 7, Iran, wrestling. K. Japan, sumo wrestling. E. New Zealand. Number 9, rugby union. Sri Lanka, volleyball. And Spain, bullfighting. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Sports timeline. So this chapter only for reading. Let me start. What do you know about the sports? How did they come into being? When did people start playing them? So do you want to know that? Cricket AD 1744. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players each. It is played in a field at the center of which lies a 22 yards long pitch. Football and 1848. Football or soccer is a sport played between two teams of 11 players with a spherical ball. The game is played on a rectangular field of grass. Swimming at 1791. Swimming has been recorded since prehistoric times, but professional approach towards swimming evolved around 1791. Boxing at 1681. Boxing is a combat sports in which two people engage in a contest using only their fists. There are two forms of boxing, amateur and professional. Horse racing at 1540. Records indicate that horse racing occurred in ancient Babylon, Syria, and Egypt. There are the three major types of racing: flat racing, steep, steeplechase racing, and harmless racing. So, dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet to the next class. Thank you, everyone.